This is Johnny Jones from Legal Shield. Did I catch you at a good time? The reason I'm calling is to set an appointment with you. I help companies like yours with resources to protect their assets and increase their revenue. We can do a quick Zoom or phone call for 15 minutes. Do you have your calendar handy? How's Wednesday at 2 o'clock? All this is these four things, but somebody took it and said, this is how I would say it every time. So they took the time to write it out so that it's clear, right? But I want you to understand that everybody talks differently, right? So let me give you another example. Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning. I know you're busy right now. When's a good time to have a 15-minute conversation? I want to share some resources that my company provides that is benefiting other businesses in our community. May I please have your email address for a calendar invite? It's the same exact thing, but just a different person wrote it. Because that's how they think. This is why it's important to take it and write it down the way that you say it, so that it doesn't sound like good morning. I know you're busy. It don't sound like that because you're not saying it for somebody else's words. You're saying it in your words that you would say every time. So it's easy for you to remember because it's natural. Give you a third example. Hey, good morning. This is Johnny Jones of Legal Shield. Did I catch you at a good time? The reason I'm calling you is because I'm a local small business specialist, and we work with companies nationwide providing special resources for businesses, all centered around helping them protect their assets and grow the bottom line. Is Wednesday or Thursday better for you? May I please have your email address for a calendar invite? These are three things that are exactly the same thing, but three different people wrote them, so that different people who speak and think differently actually have it in their own words. So your homework assignment, if you're going to use one of these, is to take it and then write it your way. Say, no, I wouldn't say that. I would say that. Oh, I could say that. Oh, I like this on the first one and this on the third one. But create it in a way where it actually is in your words. You're going to find that makes it simpler and easier for you to do it. You won't stutter. You won't be locked in and say, oh, I don't know what to say, because it's going to come natural to you. Now, there are some people that are going to work